man, so like once before, I'm gonna bring y'all on down to my level so we can unbox this thing, because I ain't got nothing to sit it on. But like I said, this is the safe. As y'all can see, it is a whole lot smaller, so I'm assuming that this will be for like your pistols, jewelry, precious documents, stuff like that. All right, let's just go and get this thing open. Yeah. So off rip, y'all already know presentation is everything. I don't care what it is, if it's shoes, if it's a gun, if it's a gun safe. Presentation is everything to your boy Rambo Jizzle. You gotta have a good presentation. So as y'all can see, man, this thing, they always pack these safes up pretty good. Like the last one that I got, it was packed up pretty good. Some pretty thick, what's the name on there? Get your little foam pieces. And that, of course, you know, you get your manual, they give you batteries, all the extra stuff that you will need. We're gonna sit that to the side for now. Alright, get that out the way. But as y'all can see, this is the safe and this is what it looked like. To me, it looks more like a little old family safe, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, I feel like I should have them bands up in here, like I should have this money on up in here, but I'm gonna get this thing open and show y'all what she look like on the inside. So as y'all can see, this is a smaller safe, like I said, and this is pretty much how big this booger is. This is what it looked like. This is more for like documents, precious metals, money, or anything that you want to put in a safe, secure spot. And like I said, you can also put pistols in here too. We're gonna open it up and see what all we can fit up in here. Like I mentioned earlier, you do get all the, you know, your little extras that you'll need, including keys, batteries, like a little charger cable, and then of course you get your pamphlet. Oh, this thing got a fingerprint scanner on it as well. So right there on the door, that is where the handle, that's where the fingerprint scanner would be. I'm gonna just go ahead and open this thing up. You do get your keys just in case your battery's down, you can't use the keypad or you can't use your fingerprint. Stick your key in there and you get it open. And as you can see, you do get like a little old tiny shelf off in there. Not real big. Like I said, it's not really made for guns. So to say, you can put them in there, but it's not like you're gonna slide a whole bunch of guns in there. But what is this? I don't know what kind of bag this is. It look like a, what do you call them bags? A RIFD, or however you say that, or a mat or something. Yeah, this is a little bag. They're like a RIFD bag. Put like credit cards and yeah, that's what type of bag this is. They give you this little bag. That's cool. You put like your credit cards. You could put like your keys and stuff in there, so people can't use like radios, what's the names, to get like the signal from your key to open your door. But y'all didn't know that existed. Yeah. People can stand outside your front door with a little transmitter and catch the what's the names coming off your key fob and open up your car door. Y'all better think now. Y'all better think. Then you also get the anchors just in case you want to zip this thing down to the wall. You find your stud up in the wall. Zoop, zoop. It ain't going nowhere. Like I said, this is a smaller safe, so you might want to use these to zip this thing down to in your closet or wherever you want to put it. Then you also get like this little old carpet on the inside. Let me just bring y'all a little closer. So you do get like this little soft carpet on the inside. Then you also get this little thin little old shelf. This ain't nothing but some styrofoam. Get that up out of there. But like I said, this is pretty good size. You can get a couple of firearms up in there. As you can see right there on the door, that is your battery tray where you put your batteries. Might as well get that open, put them off in there. So I did in fact get this thing set up with the code and also the fingerprint. So let me just show y'all how it works with the code. Boom. Easy like that. Easy as that. Let me show y'all how it works with the fingerprint. Easy as that. It's super responsive. As y'all seen, it works real well with the fingerprint. Let me just show y'all once again. Boom. You want to time out? There you go. And let me just put another finger on there so y'all know that it ain't just gonna work within the finger. We're gonna try this finger. Don't work. We're gonna try this one. Don't work. And then we're gonna try this one again. Boom. As y'all can see, super responsive. Alright, I like to work with companies like this just to kind of bring y'all different types of options. Like I said, if you got precious jewels, precious documents, or even just 1 or 2 firearms hanging around, go on and get yourself one of these boxes and toss it in there, and then I promise you to keep your stuff safe. I'm finna go ahead and toss a couple a couple of items up in here and just kind of show y'all what it look like and kind of show y'all exactly what you can fit up in here. So like I said, man, really just depending on you and how creative you really want to get with it, you can actually fit a lot of stuff in this safe. It's pretty thick now. She got a little room to it. But let me just show y'all what all I done put up in here, and I can actually get more stuff up in here. Let me just show you. Fingerprint, and she did indeed work. Open it up. Now let me just turn this camera around. So as y'all can see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, which I could have put another one. 5, 6, 7. I got 8 pistols in this safe, bro. 8. Now I did use these little hooks that I got off of Amazon, and little cheap $8 hooks. You get these little hooks off of Amazon, and you can suspend some more guns up in here. And then I still got all this storage at the bottom. And as y'all can see, I do got a couple watches in here, and I got a wallet in here just to kind of show y'all what you can get up in here. Oh, I forgot to mention, you do get like a little LED light. Let me just show y'all that light. You do get that momentary LED light off in there, so you can kind of see if you're in the dark. I did mention that this thing do got these reinforced bars on here that'll make it a little bit harder if somebody was actually trying to break into this safe. You do get these thick reinforced bars, and then the door is actually recessed inside of the safe, so a person can't just come up with something random like a screwdriver and just try to stick it off in there. So again, man, huge shout out to BlackSmith Gun Safe. If y'all want to check these safes out and y'all interested in these things and you got them guns up in a closet up under your bed,